Home insurance in Sawgrass, Florida. This is one common question asked by many. Let's get the concept clear in our minds. This is one insurance wherein the insured is protected from any damage or injury claims made by another party during a lawsuit. It pays for the damage or loss caused by the insured. This sort of liability coverage is very essential in today's world where even a small mishap can be the cause of a lawsuit. Here are the answers to some of the most commonly asked questions about liability coverage. Under this policy, the client is required to pay the legal cost of the business in a lawsuit or if responsible for any covered liability claim. This covered liability claim includes property damage, bodily injury, personal injury, or false advertising injury. Penalizing damages are not covered under this policy because they are considered to be punishable by law. These liability policies always set a maximum that the insurer has to pay during the policy period and also the maximum amount payable per occurrence. The insurance company usually requires the policyholder to provide a notice well in advance in the case of any accident that is a probable situation for a claim. The insurer requires then to get the situation and the summons is documented from the business owner and to cooperate fully in an investigation. The answer to this question is a big yes. In today's society in which people generally take pleasure in lawsuits and lawsuits are becoming quite a common occurrence, it is a must for any professional or a business to have liability coverage. Liability insurance usually pays the other party the charges that are incurred due to the damage caused by the negligence of the insurer. The other insurances get you to insure your property and usually give you the pay for the insured property in case of any damage due to any natural calamities. The best way to keep the liability and insurance rates low is to avoid accidents and take precautions before the accident.